Today we are going to talk about ROS-back. ROS-back are a special kind of, let's say, command line interface tool to accumulate data that is passed over time, especially about topic or topics, because you can log not only one but simultaneously very large an amount of topics. Also, this data is stored in your file system as part of an SQLite 3 database. And this is a great way to share your results with some friend or your manager. I also saw in a Hindi group that they share the ROSBAC files to uh, expose the professor the problem to the students, and they get the information each one of the problem and establish a result of the issue. So for understanding that, then we will try to again launch TurtleSim. ROS2 run TurtleSim. TurtleSim node. Okay. And with Shift Control O, we will try to run TurtleSim launch or teleop key. Turtle. Okay. Let's see what kind of information is keeping out of the topics. Control E. ROS2 topic list. And as you can see right now, there are no topics. Still anything is happening. So for understanding this part of ROSBAC, we will make a directory. Let's say make dir ROSBACs and cd ROSBACs. Okay. Let's see again what kind of topics are out now. There are published the topics that we want of the TurtleSim window. Now let's see what happens when we try to echo the, let's say, the post topic. Topic echo turtle1 post. Okay, here is the post topic. Let's see which kind of other topics are. Command bell. Obviously, because the turtle is not moving, it will not publish anything. But when we start to move, then our turtle is going to output something on the window. Okay. So let's relaunch again the simulator. Let's see again the topics. Okay, they are. And we will try to record the ROSBAC that is about the command bell, for example. So for that, the format of recording something is to ROS2 back record and let's say the topic name. For example, the topic is turtle one command bell. Turtle. Okay, it doesn't autocomplete, so you have to write your command very well. Now, ROS2 back. Sorry. Let's say if it auto completes. Okay, it doesn't autocomplete. So let's see again. Okay, now is working the roster back. Let's see if we can uh, record something. Let's see. Okay, let's move it. Okay, this will be enough. And let's see if is something here. Alright, stop discovery. Okay, let's try to stop this with Control C. Let's see if it has something. Okay, it has a folder here, so we will try to move to the folder. CD ROS. Okay, and there are two files in the format of year, month, date, hour, minutes, seconds, and the format of DB3 and metadata of the ROS back. Let's try to see if we can then see info of the ROS back file. So let's move over it and ROS2 back info. Uh, okay, here is information about the ROS back file, how it's called, the the main file, how many kilobytes represent, which kind of database is used, the duration of the ROS back, and start and end of the recording, how many messages are there, and which kind of information we are logging. In this case, the 31 command bell that has type geometry message, blah blah blah. Okay. Now let's try to play the ROS back. No, let's close, open, and now try to execute the ROS back. Let's say ROS2 back play and the name of the ROS file folder, and here it comes. Okay, as you can see, is the same information that I was publishing over the topic. Now, when the bag information finishes, it will stop the ROS back. So another thing that we can do is, for example, let's say manipulate the ROS back to see other topics. For example, the post also. Let's move it. We'll close it. Replay again. And we will try to ROS2 back record. We can also specify the output of the name of the folder with -o, and let's say well and pause. No, let's well and pause. And the turtle one command well, you have to be careful about how it's called the topic, because in that way you can log it effectively. If not, then will you have some kind of troubles later. Turtle one pause. Let's see if our topics are present. Obviously they are. Okay, turtle one pause, turtle one command bell, turtle one command bell, turtle one pause. We are recording on bell and pause, and we'll start to log. Okay, let's move here. Okay, enough. I think that will be sufficient to record. We'll try to stop it with Control C. Let's see again the information of the ROS back file, ROS2 back info, and well and post. Okay, see, well and post. This information again. We're recording mm, the turtle one command bell, the turtle one command post, and if we are looking over the uh, information of the topic echo, ROS2 topic echo, turtle one post again. Let's see. Let's play it. ROS2 back play well and pause. Okay, let's put it again here. Let's put the pause. Oh, the command bell doesn't matter, just to see it. Okay, let's see. Well and pause. Okay, here it comes. Look, that the information of the topic is changing and everything is replaying again. If you want to see the hertz rate, you can also put it here. Hertz. Sorry, hertz turtle one command. Well, for example, let's see again. Replay it and let's see how much frequent is publishing the topic. It will take a little bit of time. I'm not seeing the output. Hertz turtle. Okay, that's why. Let's replay again. Okay, here it comes. It says that it has an average rate about probably 7 to 10 hertz, and the backfile was replayed successfully. So that's all about the basic command line tools. Now we will try to do the same things in that we did here in command line tools, but using libraries. That's the main focus on the next chapters, and it's the most basic knowledge that you need to have to manage ROS and make your applications be rich in about control and any other kinds of mechanisms. There are the basics of everything, and you need to be careful looking and learning it well, because you will use it in ROS control, NAP2, you will use it in your per section pipelines, you will use it also on movie. So it's very common to do the next things that we did here on the command line interface tools, but using the command line interface, sorry, the client libraries. So that's all. Let's move on to the next chapters.